Chris Aquino huling nag-update sa kanyang mga fans at tila may nakitang hindi maganda sa kanyang dugo. Narito ang kanyang naging kwento. I came in for the second dose of my rituximab. I was prepared in the sense that we already knew all the protocols we would all need to follow. I have to give a big shout out to Aging that MD because she saw something in my blood panel results that she found alarming. She convinced me to have an ultrasound. It's not this one done yesterday. With all my hospitalizations, I can already tell na dapat na akong kabahan pag umakyat na yung senior technician. I had more tests today and 3 different specialists. I want to protect their privacy kaya very general ang pagbigay ko ng info. Came to explain things to me and how important it was to not delay because I would be endangering my life further. Parang kulang pa yung mahirap na bilangin na life-threatening autoimmune diseases ko. Since the night before my confinement, Bim hasn't sleeping well. Sunday, Kuya came to visit me. I'll share those pics when I am discharged. Dr. NC told me that he doesn't do procedures unless they are necessary, but this is something all my doctors discuss. Why does Chris Aquino get this difficult to detect possible health time bombs, not once but twice in her lifetime, and because of the first, we now all know she's allergic to all blood thinners. I had then non-invasive option explained to me, but I choose to literally trust Filipino doctors with my life rather than take medicine that I am unsure of, especially because I just finished a big dose of a strong immunosuppressant and I am continuing with 2 immunosuppressants and so much more supplements, antihistamines, and important vitamins. Sa huli ng mensahe ay humiling ng panalangin ng Queen of All Media, Ania. Please pray for all my doctors, those assisting them in the OR, all the nurses, especially mine, and technicians. Huwag sana kayong sumuko sa pagdarasal dahil kumukuha ako ng lakas galing sa kabutihang loob niyo. Nangako naman ang kanyang mga supporters na patuloy na panalangin ang gagawin nila para sa paggaling ni Chris at mga doctors na nag-assist sa kanya. At diyan ang ating Showbiz Snap update. Images are all credit to the rightful owners. Please like, share, and subscribe.